Hi, my name is Johan Ricardo Díaz Díaz. I study in the National Open and Distance University in the Business Administration program. This is a video for the course English 2, the group 921 and 115. This is my identity card. Then I start with my presentation. Sincelejo is located in the department of Sucre, 11 hours from my hometown, Bucaramanga. Has been one of the most beautiful coastal cities in the national territory. From this city is the most important person in my life, and well, I have met on the social network Facebook on February 3, 2016. Then I traveled again in April 2017 to meet my girlfriend, her family, my girlfriend. It had been 3 years since I met her through the social network, and in December 2018 she traveled to Bucaramanga to meet my family in that same month and asked her to be my wife. I have shared with her the happiest moment of my life, and I have had the certain any more such moments, and great blessings will come from God for this beautiful love story that has begun in the distance. Finally, on September 27 last year, we decided to come together in marriage and share the rest of our lives together, and therefore and of thunder. Thanks.